Hello everybody, it is time to get the condenser coils cleaned out on the refrigerators for 2026. It's almost summertime. I like to do that just as it's getting hot, where everything runs as efficiently as possible. So probably start out with the 82 GE, still here, still working fine as you can hear. I'll usually move it over here to the back door, open it up, and just blow the dust with the compressed air out the back door and call it good. So I'll set it up on the tripod and show the process. I've already got the air compressor charged, so we should be ready to go there. Of course, I have to do a floor reveal. Not terribly dirty, but I will sweep that up and mop that up. Not too bad. Definitely needs a clean out though. This back panel is getting so brittle, I'll simply take a old paintbrush and kind of dust it off a little bit. About as good as that gets. Well, all in all, not too bad. That's why I do this every year. And we're about as good as we're going to get here. It's 44 years old. Not going to be perfect. Put some fluid film on that one spot on that copper tubing there that's a little suspect. Hopefully prevent that from getting worse. So put the back on it, and then we'll set the camera up by the compressor and see if we can get a startup sound. Go ahead and clean up the condensation pan and the kick plate. And we should be ready to go back into service. And that should be adequate. I don't know if those spots would come off. Sure, I could get some metal polish at some point in time. Maybe in the fall deep clean. But for now, it's functional. Well, here we go. Well, good news, the 1982 GE side-by-side is back in place and running and doing what it should do. Nice and frozen. Make sure all the doors are shutting properly. Yep, looks like everything's good to go. So hopefully another year out of this thing. So once again, cleaning the condenser coil in the 1982 GE side-by-side. Thank you for watching.